What's up, bitches?
Hi, we just picked up the 05 Chevy, the 05 Chevy, bud. Dropped off my truck. It's one of my employees, or one of my co-workers that I work with at the tattoo shop. Got a busted door handles on the driver's side, so we're gonna take the truck, go get those fixed for her. All the parts came in the other night, so yeah, we're gonna get this shit fixed for her so she can open her door, because they can't open it from the outside. And this back door is busted as well, but it's just the handle. So new parts for that, and then got to figure out why this door won't open. So anyways, we'll see you cats at the shop here in just a minute. Peace. Sick, what's up? I'm at the shop now, about to get a couple little things done on this truck. Things first, energy shot. You know, the good shit. That good shit. If you know, you know. My baby is incapacitated right now, but I got a little update on that one, so y'all gonna have to stay tuned for that, because she's getting the big boy motor. Just kidding, it's not a big boy motor, but it's gonna be a bad bitch when it's done, so stay tuned for that update. A little hint would be twin something. That's all I'm gonna give you right now until the update video. So anyways, come out here with me on this one. I'm gonna start tearing this door panel off so I can get to that door handle and figure out why it's not working. Okay, so I think I got everything off now. So now, with these, it should just be a lift. There we go. Okay, now we have a bunch of clips. Alright, there's the 4 clips. One more down here. That bolt's gonna have to be fixed. That wasn't even attached. So, okay. Door panel is out. Let's go set this where it don't get messed up. Pretty much exactly what I thought it was. Pretty sure that. Yep. So the rod clip broke, and that's why the door handle won't open. So now I got to get in there. Okay, so it wasn't the rod clip. It is actually the whole piece for the back side of the hinge where the rod clip connects to. So I guess somebody tried to break in to their truck the other day, and I guess when they yanked on the handle super hard, broke the whole thing. So yeah, unfortunately, there's no way to fix that one without the whole new part. So that sucks. Yeah, put that back on the hooks. She's solid. Clips in from the back side, and then you got to make sure this little notch sits right there. Ta-da! Okay, so that's done for now. So I'm gonna go get my torque bits to pull this handle off. This is what we got to fix next. It's completely broken, but we have the whole new piece for that. So we'll get that guy all fixed up. Well, that really sucks. That. I wish it was a lot cooler in here. Luckily, that should just be an easy fix. Broken handle. Ta-da! Brand new parts. Gotta love it. So now basically, this is super simple. Just like that, nothing fancy, no levers, no nothing you gotta attach, it's already there. And we'll screw these back on. Nice and easy. Ta-da! It's fixed. Okay, one project done, man. That's kind of just how it goes. I'm gonna walk this shit back out to the truck. Super easy fix. It just bums me out that I don't have the part to fix that next one. I don't know. I'm gonna call. I highly doubt it, but I can try and call a parts store close by and see if they happen to have one. But alright, so I actually was able to find that part at the parts store right down the street. So I'm gonna go pick that up, and that way we can get the door fixed and everything for her. That way she can go back to not crawling across her passenger seat to get in the truck, because that's a pain in the ass. So anyways, I'm gonna go get that part, and I will see you guys back here. Alright, just made it back from the parts store. Got the whole new part here, all just to replace one little actuator piece. Stupid. Anyways, yeah, got the part. I just gotta switch the key lock into this one, which is super easy. Just flips in and flips out. And so yeah, let's get back to that. Wish I knew where my ratcheting screwdriver was. That'd be freaking nice. Okay, that should be all of them. So now, look up. And just leave this door kind of hanging right here. I wish I had more of this stuff, because hopefully I can just get a nice clean cut. So don't need to pop that guy off, but this guy you do. There's three bolts on this guy. Try not to drop it in the door. Good shit. Not as bad as yesterday, but if you got too big of hands, my arm barely fits in this door. Like, I am on the so this is why our door wasn't working. That whole cheap ass little cast clip broke. There's one. So yeah, here's why it broke, or why the door stopped working. This little actuator piece, or whatever the hell it's called. Ow! So yeah, whole new piece right there. Broken shit. So yeah, now we gotta pop this lock off. Clip. Don't need that clip anymore because the old one's right here. So now I am gonna have to replace that one clip because it did break. Luckily, I got a bunch of those, so let me go get these real quick. Just gotta find the one I need, which I want to say this little black guy right here. Tight fit. Now it gets stuck right here, so what you got to do is kind of pull the handle out and ta-da! Brand new handle. Alright, now we got to get this guy bolted back up nice and tight. And do this one. Yep. Okay. That, my friends, is how you fix the door handles on the driver's side of a, what is it? I don't know what generation. 4J, 98 to like 2006. Or whatever, when they stopped doing this body style. Most of them are all pretty universal, so pretty easy shit. Anyways, 05 Chevy door handle replacement done. Happy customer. Now she doesn't have to crawl across the passenger seat anymore to get it, or her husband, or so fiance, whatever. So good. Anyways, I'm gonna get the door panel put back on, get this all cleaned up and everything, and we'll go get our truck back. So yeah, all that good shit. Alright, let's see. Let me grab the keys real quick. Roll this window down just in case it decides to not work. Window rolls down just fine. Sweet. Okay. Moment of truth. Let's see if I did my job right. God, it's hotter than shit out here. Cool. All right. Let's see. Moment of truth. Oh, look at that. Nice and smooth and easy. Terrific. Okay, now lock, unlock. Okay. We're good to go. Let's slap this little cap back on. Okay, on that note, that's another video for you guys. I'm done. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my day off that I don't get anymore because I work too damn much. So, I'm gonna go spend the rest of my day with my family. So on that note, that's how you fix door handles on a Chevy Silverado 05. And yeah, I'm out. I'll catch you cats in the next video. Stay tuned for the next video, by the way, because there's a big update on the LeBaron. I'll just throw a sneak peek. She's getting a twin turbo motor, so if you watch all the way through the end of this video, you'll know we're going to do an update. As soon as I go pick up the new motor, we will do a update video on it, and you guys will see what the future holds for this thing, because it's going to be fun to see. Anyways, I'm going to quit chatting. I will catch you cats in the next video. Peace.